A lot of guitar players are fine with a pick, but when they switch to fingerstyle strumming, it suddenly feels messy. The rhythm feels uneven, upstrokes sound weak, and everything feels harder to control than it should. If that sounds familiar, it usually comes down to one thing: your hand is doing too much work. Let's fix it. So we're going to bring the index and the thumb together, almost like we're holding the pick. And when we strum down, we're going to use the very tip of the fingernail on the index finger, and then we'll have a slight twist of the wrist and use the side of the thumb fingernail here to strike the strings on the way up. So down, up, down, up, down, up, down. It's just a slight twist on the wrist to get a better angle for that up pick. Okay, we're going to add an E minor chord in here, which from down, 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 down. Just the index on its own. Now the up strums on their own. Down and up strums 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 4 and 5. I personally often strum down using the nails on fingers 1, 2 and 3 together, as it gives a slightly stronger, more textured attack compared to just using the index finger alone. It's not something you need to start with, but once the basic motion feels comfortable, this can add a bit more body to your strumming. So here I'm using an E minor chord again. On the down strums, I'm going to strike the strings with all 3 fingers. And then I'm going to twist the wrist and do exactly the same strumming technique with the thumb on the way up. So it's the side of the thumb and the fingernail drifting up on the guitar. You'll notice with this technique that I'm not holding the thumb and fingers together. I feel like this gives me more space in my strumming. So a lot of this is actually coming from that little wrist twist. Find that strumming on the down strums with 3 fingers gives you more potential for dynamic range, and for the up strums we'll often want to keep it light, so we'll be aiming mainly for the E, B and G strings rather than strumming through the entire guitar. Spend a few minutes on each technique, thumb and finger and thumb and 3 fingers. Work on your downstrokes, keeping them consistent, and then the upstrokes and keeping them soft and consistent too. Then put them together and work on adding dynamic range. Fingerstyle strumming can feel awkward at first, especially if you're used to playing with a pick. But once you simplify the motion and play it relaxed, it becomes one of the most natural ways to play rhythm guitar.